Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Pentair Amerlite Underwater Incandescent Pool Light. This white incandescent pool light has been a long-standing standard for pool lights and is the world standard of reliability for underwater lights. It features a stainless steel shell 8.375-inch prismatic tempered glass lens and stainless steel face ring with uni-tension clamp. Amerlites are UL listed to install in full-sized Pentair Pool Products, American, PacFab, and Purex niches. Features: superior light diffusion, gold diffused, low water cutoff, 500 watt, 120 volt, 100 feet cord length. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.